Hello. Today we're talking about food. Not all food keeps you healthy and full, but today we are talking about carrots, corn, and potatoes, and they all keep you full and healthy. First, I'll have my friend talk to you about corn.
Corn will help your heart and brains, help you grow and give you strong bones. Cleaning corn is easy.
First, you must take off the husk. Make sure there are no hairs left over. And there you go. Carrots are good for your eyes, your lungs, and your immune system. And they're really easy to clean.
Clean them with water and then peel them before eating them. Potatoes will keep you full and hydrated, and they are easy to clean. Before eating your potato, you should scrub it and get all the dirt off of it, like so. You can peel it and eat it.
This is a food pyramid. A food pyramid divides foods into different categories. The ones at the bottom are more nutritious than the ones at the top. Here is corn, potatoes, and carrots. Because they're more close to the bottom, you should eat more of them. I hope you learned about food today. Corn, potatoes, and carrots. Good for your body, and they keep you full. I hope you have a great day. Bye!